Hello guys, it's Wednesday again. Welcome to the CPT Markets Weekly Analysis. First of all, we are looking forward a dollar index, and according to the last week the economic calendar, and we see the inflation rate including CPI, PPI, it's not too bad. I just think so we can see the dollar index. It's not going to change a lot. So first of all, we see the dollar index, and for the last week, the dollar index almost decreased a little bit. Now it's almost getting 98 point. For the lower support will be the 97.5, and above that will be the 98.5. And for this week, it's not too much. US economic index, so I think it will be reboot again for a little bit. And first of all, we need to see the 98 point. If the price dollar index continue going up and above 98, probably in the future time we can see the 98.5. Also the 200 movements average line, now it's around 97.6. So for the rest of the week until next week, because not too much economic index, so I think the dollar index may be going flat. So also it's almost the end of the November, and for the next month, December, Christmas is coming. Also I think for the global world market also will be the flat. Another thing we need to consider about, because China and the US for the trade war, they negotiate for the last 2 weeks. It should be good, but now it may have a little bit problem, because like the Hong Kong problem, and also other problems. So we are going to see what will continue happen for the next period. So just remember, for now, the US dollar, its movements around 97.6 or 97.5, and above pressure will be the 98.5. So be careful. Also, we are going to see the euro. We know it's always the opposite way from the US dollar. For the US dollar, and stop going down and going to rebound. Also for the euro USD, we see for the last 2 weeks it's going down, and the last week rebound. Probably in the future time it will decrease again. And just know some numbers, and the short support will be the 1.1050, and below that the support will be the 1.1000, and above pressure the short pressure will be the 1.1100, and above that around 1.1150. And according to the whole European economic, it's not doing very well. Also, you guys don't forget, for the trade war not only become China and the United States, also United States and the European country. So probably for the next week and for the rest of the week, the euro price will continue going down. Okay, let's going to see the pounds. We see for the last week it's increasing again to challenge 1.300 point, but it seems now it's failed, because yesterday we see the British Prime Minister Johnson and the party and the Labour Party leader, the name is called Jeremy, yes, the name called Jeremy, and they have the television debate, and also for the support, Johnson only get 51% for the support, and for the Jeremy, he get 49% support. It's very close, only 2% ahead for the Johnson, and the market will see, maybe will be the different for the next month. We know the vote of the Prime Minister, and I don't hope Johnson will just finish their political life. So market also will consider about that. So this is the reason why the British pounds is going decrease a little bit. And also for the ahead, the pressure will be the 1.3000. It's big pressure, and the support around here will be the 1.2800. Also 200 movement average line, now it's around 1.2700. It should be British pounds will movement between 1.27 to 1.30, 200 bits its movements until maybe the new Prime Minister appear, or until for the next January, end of the January, they will start going to talk about how the British leave the European Union. So before that, it should be the range around 1.20 to 1.30. So this is the British pounds. Also, we see the golds. Now the gold price is around 1,475, and now it's going to be a flat. The pressure, the short pressure will be the 1,480, and above that it's around 1,500, and below support, the short support around 1,460, and also another below support will be the 1,440. I think right now the gold price for the end of the year, maybe it's not going increase a lot, also it's not going to be a decrease a lot, it's going flat. Now the range around 1,460 to 1,480. If going increase above the pressure 1,480, probably we are going to see the 1,500. And also if the gold price decrease again and below the lowest point, we see now is 1,445. Probably we are going to see the 1,440. Also 200 movement average line now for gold is around 1,400. So probably the gold price will decrease again because it's not risk things happened of the world. Okay, let's go into see the oil. And yesterday the oil decreased a lot. According to the last 2 days, the price from 58 and now it's only 55. So the range for the oil, it will be the 52 to the 58, and we see for the pressure 58, a lot of days the pressure be here. So now the price going down, and if we going to see the 54, also the below the 54, it's best chance to buy it. Of course, if we see the price around 52, just buy it. Now the range for the oil is around 52 to the 58, nothing more and no change. Also tonight or tomorrow or rest of the week, we are going to see the EIA, the crude oil storage exchange rate. If it's showing good, maybe the price will continue going down, but For short term, maybe it will get support around 54 or below 54. It's around 53 or even 52. Also, in my advice, if you guys see the oil price around 52 to the 54 for this range, you can buy it. Now we just wait a little bit. Okay, for the last currency pair, we see the Japanese yen. For the last 2 weeks, the price is around 109. Now the price decreased a little bit. It's around 108.5. So the short support around here will be 108. Also below this support, we see the 107. Now the price is continue movements around 107 and 109. And the above short pressure will be the 109.5. So the price, the Japanese yen going to a flat just around 108 and 109. We are going to see what will happen. It's go up or down. We don't know yet. Also, for my advice for trade USDJPY, when you see the price lower or below the 107, probably you can buy it, because in the future time, it's for sure the price will increase again. So this is almost for the currency pair, commodity, and also the oil. And also we need to pay attention for the next day. I think it's midnight tonight. Also federal government also will do the interest rate meeting. But for the rest of the year, maybe the federal government will not do the interest rate change, because it's wrong. They already did 3 times decreased, but we don't know for the next year. So for the rest of the year, the US dollar should be going flat or increase a little bit. So this is my comment. So it's no more any information about the rest of the week. So it's probably there. Okay, you guys, I hope you like it, and I hope it will help you when you do the trade for any tips for the foreign exchange rate. So thank you guys for today, and we are going to see you next week. Okay, bye bye.